A couple of weeks ago, the new version of Revit was released, Revit 2024, and since then I have gotten a ton of messages of people saying that they've installed the new version of Revit, but they don't seem to have the content libraries. So they don't have the Revit families, they don't have the Revit family templates, or any of the regular templates. And we all know that Revit without the content is pretty much useless. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can find all of that content, how can you download it, install it, and solve this issue. Now, if you're interested in Revit 2024 and all of the new features, I have created a video on that topic, and I'm going to be linking it just up in the cards above, so check it out if you're interested. And now, let's find our content libraries. Let's go. Okay, so here I am in the web browser and I have opened up this link. Now I'm going to be attaching this link down in the description of this video, and also I'm going to be linking it up in the cards above. This is one of the methods of accessing the content libraries. So you just go to this link and then you can see here we have all of the content packs. Now it's different for each region, and then you can just find whichever region works for you. So here we have Brazilian Portuguese, generic international Portuguese, Chinese, generic international Chinese, so on and so forth. So you can just filter down this list, or just go through this list and find what you're interested in, and then you can just download that and install it. So this is just the first approach. The second approach, and the one that I used when my family content pack was missing, was to go to the Autodesk website, sign in, and then you go here to products and services. You open that up and you're going to get basically a list of all of the products that you have. So here I have kind of a AEC pack, so I have multiple different softwares. I'm just going to search for Revit. Okay, click outside, and here we have Autodesk Revit. Now here we can install Revit. However, I'm looking for the content libraries, so I'm just going to click on View Details, and here make sure you're on the Revit 2024 tab, and then here you have the Available Downloads section. And here you have your updates, your extensions, and most importantly, the libraries. Now, I think this is a bit more user-friendly, the way that it's outlined, so that's why I prefer to use this. And I've actually used the US English Content Pack 2024. You just hit on download, and it's just going to download that file, just like so. And once it's downloaded, you just install it, and it's done. Now, in this case, I already have it, so I'm just going to cancel that installation. And if you're wondering, perhaps, why do I have to install it? Isn't it just a set of families? When you install it, it's actually going to set up the paths correctly. So when you open up Revit, it's going to default to those paths, and you don't have to search on your computer where exactly are your families. They're always going to be there when you go to load family. So I think that's good. And there we go. I think we have now solved the issue of missing Revit content packs. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to check out my website, balkanarchitect.com, for more Revit courses. There I have over 120 hours of content, and I'm adding more each week. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and also I've added a video over there that might interest you as well.